So we're talking about an electrical duct heater on the side of a fan coil unit that has failed. You can use your multimeter. You can check for continuity across each one of the heating elements. You can check to see if they're shorted to ground. Here's the model number we're working on. It's a 10 kW, 480 volt electric duct heater. You can see it wasn't installed properly. It bent down and started to burn through the duct board. See the arcing here on this lug. Here's another sign of a failed duct heater that needs to be replaced.
Wow.
And then here again, on one of the other heating elements, you can see the damage. I've had good luck with these Warren Technology stock duct heaters.